Good evening, everyone, and welcome to another class. All right, so as you guys are aware, we're done with our CSS level 1, and now we're moving to CSS level 2, whereby we will be creating a 3-page website. All right, good. All right, so as you can see over here now, I created a folder which is CSS level 2, and then if I open the folder, you'll see there's another folder here, CSS folder. So our CSS file will be inside this folder, and then you see there's another folder again, img. So all the images we're going to be working with on the website will be inside this folder. You guys are advanced now, so I need to start teaching you a much advanced way of doing things and organizing your folder. All right, so now you see this is exactly what we'll be building. A 3-page website. You can see it is a gym site, and as you can see, it has three different links over here. We have the home button, we have class, we have about us. All right, good. So this is what we're going to be working on, but we'll be doing this from the scratch. Okay, good. So you see, now that I've created this folder, our HTML files will be somewhere here. All right, so let's go ahead and create our HTML files. So I'll just create new file, and this one will be index.html. all right, so whenever you're building a website, your home button should be what? Index.html. That's the proper way to name it. Okay, so you see over here we have what? Class. All right, so we're going to create another folder, another file, which will be class.html. I seen that, and then we have another one again. It's a 3-page website, so we have another one, about us. So come over here, we'll create another file, about us. We'll just make it about.html. all right, good. So you can see we now have the 3 pages. So I said this index.html is what? Is our home button. All right, good. So guys, this is exactly how to create your files and your folders. All right, so let it be arranged like this. So our images will go here, and then our CSS will go here. So I'll just go ahead and open the CSS folder, and then I'll create a file there, which will be style.css. I seen it. Good. So now we've created our CSS. All right guys, so that's that for now. So just create your files like this and arrange everything like this. See you guys in the next class.